Welcome to the Mom Eats! Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Mom Eats Basics, where we cook very simple and delicious meals with ingredients readily available here in the Philippines. Keywords will always be bare minimum effort. So it's September, but it feels like summer and we've been craving for ice cream. A lot. Well, we've been craving for a lot of things, but let's not go there. And since store-bought ice cream can get expensive, we discovered the very viral ice cream hack, and we've been making ice cream at home. However, there's one crucial step that I want to reiterate that makes a whole lot of difference. Anyway, let's get on with the video. Here goes! Super easy stracciatella ice cream. Stracciatella is chocolate chips or shards in light vanilla ice cream. What's great about stracciatella is the chocolate pieces are uneven, giving you pleasant surprises with each bite. It also makes making ice cream so much easier since we don't need to have perfect and even cocoa bits. Here are the ingredients you will need to make ice cream. All-purpose cream, chilled in the fridge, condensed milk, also chilled, vanilla extract or flavoring, and your chocolate of choice. For this video, we'll use Chocnut spread. Yes, there's such a thing. This is such a pleasant surprise. Thank you, Penny Porto, for introducing and hooking us up with this wonderful goodness in a jar. We will link her contact details in the description bar below. Note that your main ingredient or the chocolate should be at least room temp. Do not put in the fridge or freezer. Here's how you make your ice cream. First and foremost, before mixing everything, the pro-est of the pro tip. Make sure you put your metal mixing bowl in the freezer and make sure it stays cold or cool to the touch all throughout your mixing. Having a chilled mixing bowl speeds up the whipping process and shortens the prep time. Set up your hand blender. Put your cream in the chilled mixing bowl. I realized that we had an open pack of cream, so I added that in too. Whip for a couple of minutes until you notice the cream looks lighter. Add your condensed milk and vanilla extract. How much of both, it's really up to you. Condensed milk adds richness and sweetness to the cream, so if you want your ice cream light, just add a little. But if you want super rich and super sweet, add a lot. I only put a little because I found out this was our last can and I used condensed milk for my daily coffee. Oops! The good thing of having a chilled bowl is hindi babagsak yung cream when you are guesstimating and tweaking the flavor. With our heat and humidity, heat from the friction, and heat generated by the machine, there's a higher chance of the fat in the cream to melt and the cream won't hold its shape if you just use a room temperature bowl. I'll spare you the science behind it, but if you've noticed your cream not holding its shape, then work with a chilled bowl. Even chill the whisk if necessary. Once you're okay with the base, place in the freezer-friendly container and store in the freezer until your ice cream is frozen, but you can still work around with a fork. Ours was in the freezer overnight. If it becomes rock hard, just leave it out to melt a little. It's ready once you were able to rake your way around the container. Once it's ready, start putting your main ingredient. To test, scoop out a spoonful of the spread onto the ice cream and mix with a fork. The fork will break down the spread into smaller bits. At the same time, distribute the spread evenly. The cold cream will solidify the chocolate bit almost immediately. So if you want bigger bits, just leave in the container untouched for a few seconds, then start adding and mixing again. TBH, I had wanted a swirly pattern on top, but I couldn't achieve it, so I had to let that go fast. Maybe you will have better luck, and maybe use a barbecue stick to create the swirls. Why do I use chocolate spread instead of regular chocolate? For the simple reason that it's easier. I don't know how to temper chocolate and I'm too lazy to peel and turn the chocolate into shavings. This spread makes it easier and faster. Once you're done and once you think you have more than enough, put it back in the freezer. It'll be ready by the next day. The 120 jar is just right for 1 liter of ice cream. This homemade ice cream is only a fraction of the cost of regular ice cream. I used super affordable ingredients and the results are comparable to the store-bought kind. And what I like about this is you can control the texture, the richness, and the flavor of your ice cream. Thanks for watching. Are you interested in more simplified but yummy recipes? Please like this video so we get inspired to make more. Also, leave a comment down below on what other recipes you want us to simplify for you. For more videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and follow us at The Bomb Eats. Thank you from The Bomb Eats.